Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Humankind on PlayStation 5. You begin your journey in the Neolithic era as a nomadic tribe, exploring the vast map. Your initial goal is to gather curiosities, which provide essential food and science, allowing you to grow your tribe and gain new units. Once you find a suitable spot, you'll establish your first outpost to claim territory. By achieving enough era stars through exploration and early accomplishments, you can then advance to the ancient era, setting the stage for your civilization's growth. Once in the ancient era, you can transform your first outpost into your capital city. This is a crucial step for establishing your empire. You can then attach other outposts to your cities, expanding your borders and consolidating valuable resources. Focus on building specialized districts, such as farmers' quarters for food production and makers' quarters for industry, to fuel your growth. Remember to keep your city's stability high, ideally above 90%, as this significantly boosts your influence and overall development. Humankind allows you to guide your civilization through 7 distinct eras, from the early Neolithic period to the contemporary age. A unique feature is the ability to choose a new culture at the start of each era. Each culture offers unique affinities, such as militarist for combat bonuses or scientist for research advantages, along with special legacy traits and emblematic units. By earning era stars through various objectives, you can unlock new cultures or choose to transcend with your current one, gaining cumulative fame bonuses. Interacting with other empires is a core part of Humankind. You can engage in diplomacy, forming treaties and alliances, or issuing demands. When conflicts arise, combat unfolds in tactical, turn-based battles where terrain plays a significant role in unit effectiveness. Managing your war support is vital, as it dictates your ability to declare formal wars or force opponents into surrender. Ultimately, the game's objective is to accumulate the most fame, earned through a wide array of achievements, to claim victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.